Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is ninth question of its exercise 7.1. So the question says that write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So नेचुरल नंबर्स के सेट को हम n से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ये होता है हमारा 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड so on. सो हमें से बोला गया है राइट द नेचुरल नंबर्स फ्रॉम 102 टू 113. तो हम ये नोट कर लेंगे 102, नेक्स्ट जाएगा 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 109, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112 and 113. So here total number of natural numbers given is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 हो जाएंगे. And what fraction of them are prime numbers? And ये हो जाएगा number of prime numbers is equal to prime numbers. देख लेंगे prime numbers क्या होता है हमारे. The number which is divided by 1 or itself is known as prime number. So हम देखेंगे 103 it is divided by 1 and 103. इसके अलावा किसी भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. सो ये हो जाएगा प्राइम नंबर. So 107, 109 and 113. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 prime numbers in these 12 natural numbers. So what fraction of them are prime numbers? So हमें fraction find out करना है. So required fraction is equal to total numbers हैं हमारे पास 12 natural numbers and in them 4 are prime numbers. So they are 4. So हम cancel कर लेंगे तो 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the fraction will be 1/3. Thank you.